Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? We're here at TradeStation. Now, TradeStation has recently updated their app, and it was initially a little confusing, and I didn't like it. But it's okay, I guess. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below of the new TradeStation app. Anyway, you guys know I've been selling a lot of puts and converting some of my portfolio into both dividend-paying stocks and just some index funds, just to give myself some diversity. So that's what we're going to do today. So it's a little bit different. Let's go see how this trading mechanism works. Okay. So we're going to go out here to the quotes. We'll just go to this one for now, and then we're going to go to VOO. So this is the Vanguard S&P 500. You can see, man, it's going up, right? So basically this one just tracks the market. So I'm just going to trade. I'm going to just buy 5 shares. All right, so I'm going to dollar cost average in to this. I'm going to say, okay, I'm just going to say market order. No, some people in the comments are probably going to freak out. So you should never do a market order, but, that's fine. And then stop loss or take profit. I'm not going to enter those right now. So that's one of the good changes that they have, right? If you click this, right, you can kind of set it. And you can set a stop loss. So I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to let it ride, right? This is long-term investing. We're just going to go. So we're just going to say, should have plenty of buying power here. So let's go with, market order. Estimated total cost of trade doesn't seem right. But I don't know if it actually updated. So let me try that again. 5. Okay, that time it updated. Okay, I want to say review. And I'm going to say send. I'm going to go view order. You can see it popped up already. So it did execute. So very cool. Let's go back and look at the position. All right, here we go. Here's the position I have now in VOO. It's the Vanguard S&P 500. All right. And you can see some of the other things that I have here. X Steel Corp. I put a call and a put spread. I put a spread on that thing. And it looks like it's being pretty profitable right now. So that's awesome. Can't beat that. I guess we'll see how that goes. It doesn't expire until June 21st. It's still May. So still got a little ways to go. Anyway, guys, be sure you guys follow and join the stock group to get my real-time stock trades. Thanks for watching.